Hello, Virgo. Welcome back to your relationship reading for the month of January 2021. We are reading cards for you to understand your relationship area and give you an elaborate information in extension to, in continuation to your generic reading. So please do watch your generic readings before you reach to the relationship reading, Virgo. I am moving ahead and giving you information about it. Before we start, I would like to share my contact numbers with you. So you reach me on 8448901791 for your personalized paid sessions, and you can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. You can also email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. Let's get ahead and move ahead with the reading. The very first thing which I see in your cards is, in past you were dealing with a person already who had communicated to you already that this relationship is just for time being. It is not going to be a long term relationship. This person was a flirt, or you were dealing with this person who you knew that he will go one way, he will fizzle out of your life one day, and then he will not be a part of your life one day. That one day will certainly come, and you already knew about it, but the attachment was so that you were not able to free yourself from this attachment. You were so much into this relationship from your end, Virgo. This person's interference was so much in your life that these are those shrewd people who, I don't know, maybe they like spoiling people's people's peace of mind, I will say, because these people know that they can't give you a stable future. They know that they cannot be a part of your future at all. A stable relationship is not possible. But then these are the people who make make your life like a punishment. You are so attached to them, this fake face, that you are not able to release yourself from their memories. And they are shameless. They actually keep on making memories in your mind, so that the more you try to detach yourself from these people, the more pain you feel to get out of this relationship. And please stay away from such people. They don't deserve love. I'm sorry. If I'm being a little rude, but then this is how it is, and that's what I see in the cards. You need a lot of strength right now because you have decided you want to move out of this relationship. But then what exactly you need to move out? What exactly you need to do right now is action. Please make an action. Please do something about it. It will not happen, in your mind somewhere. It has to do, it is to do something. Uh, you know, uh, until and unless you don't make a move, take a step back from this person, you will not be able to do it. And that's what I'm trying to make you understand, that please make a move out of this relationship. Please move out of this relationship. That's very, very important. Wow. This entire world is in front of you, and then you need to just look at, open your arms, and then move forward, move towards this world, Virgo, because uh, this person is binding you back to back in the relationship what he had with you. Maybe he's giving you those those dialogues, also passing on those dialogues that we had this movement, we had that movement. What if we don't have a future ahead? Marriage is not important, and there are other things which are important. It is all up to you. I mean, I'm not being judgmental. It is about your choices. But then I will say it is only going to give you pain, nothing else. I want to tell you one more thing which I see in the cards here, because I was using two decks altogether to explain you the relationship here. This relationship is going to get ended very soon, but then the results will not be very, very amicable. You might leave this person with your own wishes. He might keep on reaching out to you without giving you any assurance of a commitment. But then you will always be confused. Your desire will be to have a passionate relationship. He will not give you that relationship, or she will not give you that relationship. They are acting selfish. They only need some passion with someone. So if you don't give this passion, they will move to someone else. They would have already done that. That is also very, very evident here. This this uh, this reading will resonate with people who are actually dealing with this kind of a relationship. They are into this kind of a relationship. Okay, it does not really apply to people who are not in this relationship, or they are in a committed relationship. There is commitment in their relationship already. It doesn't really apply to that set of people. Okay, so it pick energies as per your life situation, and then it will resonate with that area accordingly. All right. One more thing which is important here is that now Archangel Michael, who runs and rules our head chakra, our crown chakra, is telling you that listen, make a movement and use your brain move out or use your brains to make a progress in your relationship area. Relationships, as I always say, cannot be like a thing wherein it is only romantic relationship. There can be a person existing in your life who's taking advantage of you right now, and you know that, Virgo. This person might be, making money out of you. Maybe, takes money now and then, and just, oh, I am, you've just emptied and it has impacted your bank balance drastically. That can also happen. Okay. It can be a relative, it can be a friend, it can be anyone. So this energy can, apply to anyone here. In relationships also, romantic relationships also, a lot of relationships, I have seen such cases myself when people come to me and they explain the exact scenario to me, that this is what the person has been doing to me. He's not ready to, or she's not ready to give me a commitment, but then when it comes to taking advantages from me, or he or she is very, very active. So that's what, and that's where it is coming from. All right. Another thing which is here is that, your advice to regenerate yourself, advice to get into meditation, into some yoga or some spiritual following, so that you keep and get and attract some peace for yourself or for your crown chakra. So that needs to be settled right now, Virgo. Focus on that, and if you will focus and walk on that path, you will certainly get some victory there. So the victory card has appeared here, and you will be succeeding in your plans accordingly. Okay. The energy you're dealing with right now in your romantic area, the person you're dealing with right now in your romantic area, please do note I'm talking about romantic relationships here. This person is someone who is a cold energy, and then he will keep on hitting hard, very, very hard on your emotions. Stress values will increase, stress levels will increase. You will get into anxiety and depression kind of thing. So please be away from this cold energy. These are the people who know how to put people down and then make them bow down in front of you, and then follow them the way they want your life to be run. But then I will not advise, and I don't see any reason for you to just bend down in front of them and agreeing to them. I relate this card with the very first card which I had seen in a generic reading, wherein I had seen an authoritative person in your life. The reading was actually indicating towards a person who's authoritative, who wants you to fly as per the limit what they have given you. So that credit card limit or the life limit is something what they are assigning to you. The same energy has appeared here, and surprisingly, this energy has also appeared in your third week of January. So you are certainly dealing with an authoritative energy here, which is impacting you. So please take care of yourself and do not bow down in front of such people. They don't deserve it. Okay, not being judgmental, I'm just telling you, understanding the situation from the practical situations I have seen myself and I have given solutions to. Okay, last week is very important. You are going for higher studies, or maybe you will go improve yourself. You are going to touch your higher self. Finally, whatever abuse you were going through, whatever problems you were going through, you are going to put an end to that, because there was a secret. This person was blackmailing you because of that, and you were getting blackmailed. That is going to get out. That secret is going to come out in public anyways. So from there, maybe you will have some bad time, but then after that, you will pick it up, and you will pick it up really well. So don't worry. The victory card has come into your cards. It is a good time. It is a peaceful time which is waiting for you. You just have to action. You just have to take a step for yourself. Stand for yourself, and that's when people will stand for you. Virgo. Take care. God bless you. All right, and be happy. Happy New Year. Live a good life ahead.